Olympians, this next event is called Laundry Champ. You're gonna need 5 unfolded t-shirts to do this event to start with. Once your t-shirts are unfolded, you're gonna get ready to fold them. You're gonna put 1 minute on the clock, and you're gonna see how many times you can fold a t-shirt. Once you make it to the end of your 5 t-shirts, just unfold all your t-shirts and keep going. Keep track and see how many you fold. On your mark, get set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, we're gonna restart. 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, Olympians, now it's your turn. Good luck.